Yo, rockers! It's that time of day when I get to give away a couple free concert tickets. Today we've got 2 general admission passes to Rosie Palm and the Fast Five, playing this Friday night in the arena at La French Baguette Casino. The 10th caller is going to have to answer our trivia question of the day to win them. Let's go to the phones. Hello, caller. You're on the air. Are you ready for your trivia question?
Oh my gosh, I am!
Okay, here it is. A train leaves Central Station moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. 15 minutes later, a supersonic jet leaves a secret government airfield 4 miles to the north, heading northwest at 2,000 miles per hour. What is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle formed by their differing trajectories? You've got 5 seconds. Time is running out.
What? It isn't 6?
No. Wow, how can you be so stupid? My grandpa could have gotten that question, and he's dead. We'll try again in the next hour.
The Knife, 87.8.
Land of England, and it has not disappointed. America has provided me with so many blondes, redheads, brunettes. So I say hooray to America, and hooray to having a charming English accent. Nothing gives you the hunger like a day of shooting and skinning animals for sport.
Here, want some beef jerky?
Beef? Did you say beef? What do I look like, a Girl Scout? I'm a man, son, and real men eat rhino! Eat the meat that makes the man. Rhino jerky, made from 100% rhino meat. Now with hickory flavor. Don't be a pussy, eat a rhino!
Supplies limited as rhinos are an endangered species. Rhino jerky consumed at a rapid rate may lead to chronic constipation, toxic shock syndrome, loss of eyebrows.